How to schedule a story on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to plan and schedule your Instagram stories in advance using Meta Business Suite on your Android device. First, make sure your Instagram account is set to a professional account before getting started, as this is required for scheduling. After that, open the Google Play Store and download Meta Business Suite if you don't have it installed yet. From there, open Meta Business Suite and log in with your Instagram professional account credentials. At this point, once you're logged in, tap on the plus icon at the bottom navigation bar to create new content. In the next step, select Story from the Content options. Following this, tap on the image you want to use for your story from your gallery. Once done, make any edits you want, such as adding stickers, music, or text to your story. From here, tap Next to proceed to the publishing settings. At this stage, you'll see the story placement section showing where your story will be posted. After this, scroll down to find the scheduling options. You'll see two choices, which are Publish Now and Schedule for Later. Once completed, tap on Schedule for Later and select your preferred date and time for the story to go live. Finally, tap Schedule to confirm, and your story will automatically be posted at the exact date and time you selected. And that's it. If this guide helped you schedule your Instagram stories, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.